central Wisconsin, northern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Milwaukee, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. An additional storm was located near Sun Prairie. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Middleton, Beaver Dam, Milwaukee, Windsor, Columbus, Peat Forest, Fall River, Dane, Arlington, Reedsville, Otsego, Richwood, Clyman, Lowell, Deansville, East Bristol, Morrisonville, and Danville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.